Glossary of Bird Words, Part 3. Morphs, where there are a number of different and distinctive plumage colors and states. This is a pair of spotted eagle owls that live in our suburb. The male is the normal color. The female spotted eagle owl on the right is a much darker morph. And this male is just the normal coloring. This female happens to be a dark morph. Palaearctic migrants are birds that migrate to and from the region represented by North Africa, Europe, and Asia. The curlew sandpiper migrates from northern Russia down to southern Africa each year. A curlew sandpiper feeding frantically after its very long migration south to southern Africa. The tiny willow warbler migrates from its breeding grounds in northern Europe and Russia down to sub-Saharan Africa, south to South Africa each year. A willow warbler in my garden singing its sweet song. Pectinate, a modified, comb-like edge to the claws of some birds. It is usually found in the middle front toe. It is used for grooming. This pectinate claw was from a fiery-necked nightjar. Pelagic, birds that inhabit the open ocean and its islands. Albatrosses spend years over the ocean before going to land to breed. Albatrosses, petrels, and prions flying over the open ocean or pelagic habitat in the Southern Ocean. Teeny prions live over the vast open ocean. Pied, birds that have black and white plumage. African pied wagtail. Pied avocets. Pied crow. Pied kingfisher female.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and post any comments you have down below.